Hi, my name is Lance Hawkins-Dady, Innovation and Design Executive at Conlog and Chairman of the STS Association. I'm here today to show you just how easy it is to carry out the TID rollover. Here we'll show you entering a credit token before the TID rollover event. This token was created on the 23rd of November 2024. And there you can see the meter is accepted, a 10 kilowatt hour credit token. We assume now that a TID rollover has not been performed, and so we'll enter a token that was bought on the 25th of November 2024. Here we can see all zeros displayed on the screen representing old, which means the token is now older than the last token and it has gone past the TID expiry date. So that token was not accepted. With the token having been rejected, we now need to insert the key change tokens, and this will show you just how easy the process is. We will start by entering the first key change token. And there we can see that the first key change token has been accepted by the meter. Now we'll proceed to enter the second key change token. And that's it. The two key change tokens have been accepted and the TID rollover has been performed. Now again, we will enter a credit token that was purchased on the 25th of November 2024. And there we have it. The credit token purchased on the 25th of November 2024 was now accepted because the TID rollover event has been completed.